Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make meringues easy. Start by separating eggs carefully and set whites at room temperature. Whip whites until soft peaks form, then add sugar slowly while continuing to beat. Pipe or spoon onto a lined tray, leaving space between nests. Bake low and slow to dry them out, then cool completely in the oven for crisp shells and chewy centers. Gather simple ingredients and a few basic tools to keep this recipe stress-free. You need large egg whites, granulated or castor sugar, a pinch of salt, and optional cream of tartar to stabilize. Use a clean metal or glass bowl and a reliable mixer for consistent volume. A piping bag gives neat shapes, but a spoon works too. Low oven heat and patience are the keys to perfect meringue texture. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with Kitchen Calm when you bake. It's my go-to for tax and saving simplicity. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to grab it if curious. Now let's get back to the video. Set your oven low and maintain steady heat to gently dry the meringues without coloring them. Bake until they feel dry and sound hollow when tapped, then turn the oven off and let them cool inside for added dryness. Avoid humidity when making or storing them because moisture ruins crispness. Keep finished meringues airtight and handle them gently to preserve delicate shells and soft interiors for serving or gift wrapping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.